Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Backup and Reset and tap on Google account. So basically the thing is that if you've got your Google account added to the device, then you will be able to simply choose it from the list. You will have it right here. If not, you have to add the account right now. So let me tap on Add Account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Here you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on Next. So right here we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on Next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on Next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, of course you can tap on them to learn more, and tap on I agree after reading. Here we have to decide what kind of data we want to back up, so photos and videos or other device data. It's totally up to you. I will choose only this one and tap on Confirm. Tap on Manage Backup, and as you can see here we've got our backup section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Under it we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up, and simply to finish everything, we have to simply tap on Backup now, and we've got this information, which means that your device is backing up the data from now on. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.